Hello and welcome to my lecture, which I title Free Image Sources for Your Coloring Book. There are literally tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of free images for your coloring book projects. All you need to do is pick the theme you want for your coloring book and then go shopping online for the royalty-free images you want to use in your project. Here are just a few places you can go to online to start your image shopping spree. First stop for your image shopping trip is search.creativecommons.org. Here you can search several websites through this portal for royalty-free images, including Google Images, Pixabay, and Flickr. Just select or highlight the source site you want to search, type in your image query in the search window, and hit the search button. Your selection will appear on your screen, and you just then download the image or images that you want to use. Your next source is a site called Unsplash.com. Once you get an account with them, they will send you emailed royalty-free images on a weekly basis, and these are good images. You can also just go to Google Search and type in royalty-free images, and you will be able to find many more locations on the internet that you can go to for images. Some are out there because they want to capture your email address, and their sites are basically lead magnets to find out who you are so they can sell you things. If you don't mind hearing from them in this way, then you can get some good quality images from their sites from time to time. Following are a few slides showing snapshots of the sites I have mentioned above. First is the search.creativecommons.org site. Notice the different boxes where the word image is displayed in the various boxes, and you'll be able to find the sites that will give you images. Next is the Google image result when still life is selected for the query and the query is made. Following is the Flickr results screen. Notice two things in particular on this screen. On the left it says commercial use and mods allowed, and on the right it says 31,466 results. And that's just for the one query about still life images. Pixabay for still life images brings up 1,442 free images to choose from. Lastly, I'll show you an image of the Unsplash.com site. Note that as a member they will send you images as well, but if you log into their site, you can browse for different collections to find the images that you want. Of course, your own pictures can be used as well. It is entirely up to you what type of project you wish to create and where you want to get your images from. In summary, you will find there are no shortage of images out there for you to draw from as you create your coloring books, and you will be able to ramp up this business online very quickly. So if you think you can make a go of this with the connections, marketing opportunities, and the ideas you have for your own books, give it a try. The cost to do this type of project is very small, and you can be earning money from it very quickly. That's all for this lecture. Bye for now.